Dear student, you are watching Science and Maths Academy. Today we will discuss mensuration class 10. Time is very short. We will go through the concept mensuration, and then I will give you the questions and I will solve in the next episode most probably. Okay, now today's class I will focus on mainly formula, and formula you have to take a notebook, other subject also, and you please write all the formulas and go through the formula after some time. Now we are going to start the solid figure. Before that I will start from class 9 circle, because here it will be required. Circle, you know, diameter is the biggest chord and half of the diameter is r. Radius, diameter equal to 2r, then radius will be diameter by 2, that is r, dia by 2. This concept. Now that is circumference in square, rectangle, triangle, etc. perimeter, and in circle we will tell the circumference. Circumference mane I tell students walk around the field. This. So circumference will be formalized 2 pi r. You know value of pi is 22/7. Pi equal to 22/7, everybody know. Now circumference is 2 pi r, area is pi r square. No problem, sir. Now semicircle, means half circle. Here radius is r, then what will be the circumference? I told you that you have to move around the boundary. This is 2 pi r, this will be 2 pi r by 2, 2 pi r by 2, from here to here. I go from here to here, that is pi r distance. Now this will be 2r, here I have to come back, then it will be 2r. তাহলে আমি বলতে পারি, then I can say semicircle circumference is pi r plus 2r. Area, very easy, sir. Total is pi r square. Then this will be pi r square by 2. Now this thing we require here, this portion, that's why I told you. Now for hollow solids, another formula we require, and you know that is a circular field is here, and around the field there is a circular path. What will be the area of this path? Now you can recap. Say this is small r, this is capital R. আমি বলি যে total area minus this area, cut with the blade this area, you will get this. What will happen? Total area is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. You can take pi common, r square minus small r square. Now we can do this, a square minus b square, formula, you know, a plus b into a minus b, pi into r, capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. This will be applied here, that's why I go through this. Now we will come to the first cylinder, sphere. Sphere will be very easy. Now we will go through the sphere. Sphere, you know, football, cricket ball, anything. Now you have concept of sphere. This is sphere, three-dimensional, and this is R. Then total surface area. Total surface area means this. This is total surface area. Very easy formula. Total surface area will be 4 pi r square. Ekdom easy. Circle pi r square. Sphere, as because it is in this shape, we can prove this also. It is not in your syllabus. Total surface area 4 pi r square. Now what will be the volume? Volume, if you remember this, it will be 4/3 pi capital R cube. 4/3 pi radius cube. It is radius square. Unit will be square unit, square centimeter, square meter, etc. Square unit, and this will be unit cube, cubic unit. Okay, unit cube, say centimeter, centimeter cube, meter, meter cube, like that. তাহলে আমি কি বললাম, total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Now sir, I am taking Moshambi or orange, you have cutted it. Then you have cutted it, this portion. This is hemisphere. Hemisphere. Sir, what will be the total surface area? Now come, this surface is half of this, 4 pi r square by 2, that is 2 pi r square. And as because you have cutted at the center position from the diameter, through the diameter, this surface again you got. This is circle, so pi r square. তাহলে কি হলো, 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square. It is total surface area formula. Concept is this. I have cutted a Moshambi lebu or orange, etc. from the center, this. Volume, very easy sir. Volume will be, this is total volume, so half of this volume. এর half কত হবে, 2/3 pi r cube. Complete. Now we are going to another part. That is, if it is a hollow, you know your canvas ball, if it is damaged or if you cut it, canvas ball, you will get say this is the material part. I want the volume of this material, say rubber, etc., rubber ball, and this is hollow, you can see, you can check. Okay, or peeling কমলা লেবু, peeling Moshambi, inside বের করে দাও, তাহলে उसका ऊपर जो है, that is the this one. Now I can take, this is small r, this is capital R. Sir, total volume will be, you told me total volume minus inside volume. This is hollow. So we will write volume 4/3 pi r cube minus 4/3 pi small r cube. 4/3 pi common, capital R cube minus small r cube. Clear? Now it are देवे ना, inside they will not give, I can make that also. So this is the sphere part complete. Now I will start the cylinder. Cylinder, very easy, you know, and your class teacher also explained. Now I am explaining in that way. Go through. This is a cylinder. Cylinder has three surfaces. It is bottom, it is top, and it is curved surface. Now, sir, total surface area. This is pi r square, as because this is circle. If it is r and this is h, this area pi r square. This area also same, 2 pi r square plus pi r square 2 pi r square. Now this is top and bottom. Now another thing, lateral surface area. What will be the lateral surface area? Take your book. Now you fold it. This is R, this is H. If you cut it, it will be the rectangle, maybe square, I don't know. Now this is R. So first I told this is circumference, it will be 2 pi r. You fold your book or copy, यहाँ पर एखाने 2 pi r लिखे दाओ. What is? This is circumference. This is 2 pi r and this is h. So if you cut it, you are getting rectangle 2 pi r h. If I cut it, I will get a rectangle. This is h, this is 2 pi r. Sir, area will be length into breadth, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Clear, sir? Now I can write here top and bottom, top and bottom, and this is curved surface area. Curved surface area, sometimes they tell lateral surface area, both you can understand. This is complete. Now I can say, what is the volume, sir? Acha, in the volume, please learn this, that is volume equal to cross sectional area into height. Volume is cross sectional area into height, anywhere. Now see here, if you are, everybody is playing carom board, carom, if you place the carom here one upon another, you will get a cylinder and total thickness will be height. Then this area pi r square into height. Volume equal to pi r square. First I will give the main definition, cross sectional area, any cross sectional area into height. It is the formula. Now I can write V equal to cross sectional area. This will be pi r square because it is circular. What is cross sectional area? Any body, if you take axis here and if you cut perpendicularly, बायोलॉजी में किया ना, बायोलॉजी तो करेছো. Now if I cut at 90 degree to the axis, I will get a circle. So this circle area will be pi r square. Pi r square, height is h. This is the volume. Bas, finish. Now we learned total surface area. Total surface area is bottom area, top area. This is sir একদম চোখের সামনে ভাসবে. Bottom area circular sir. This is pi r square. Top area pi r square, 2 pi r square. Now lateral surface area, I told you, you cut it, it is 2 pi r h. Curve surface area 2 pi r h. এতদূর ক্লিয়ার হয়ে গেল. Now I am going, if say it is hollow. Oh, why I? ठीक है, no problem. If it is hollow, hollow like, আমি একটু বড় করে আঁকছি, this, at the beginning I told circular track, around the ground there is a circular track, same formula is here. See here sir, this is the material. একদম কনসেপ্টে কাজ করবে বাবা, mensuration easy হয়ে যাবে. And mensuration is the very beginning step to be an engineer or a good person. ধরো তোমার কাছে এনি, তুমি এখানে ঘর তৈরি করছো, you have to whitewash etc etc, everything is mensuration. One of my students asked me, I told, to be smart household person you should learn the mensuration, otherwise ওই মিস্ত্রিরা আসবে এসে তোমাকে ভুলভাল বুঝিয়ে দেবে and they will take more money. You can compare, okay, floor area is this, everywhere if you go to purchase a land etc, anything, mensuration is applicable here. Now this is, I told, this is small r sir, this is capital R sir. Now this material is কত হবে, cross sectional area pi capital R square minus pi small r square. This is cross sectional area into height h. Finish. This is height. Okay. Now this is cross sectional area into height. This will be the volume. Volume of hollow pipe, hollow cylinder will be this. আর একখানা ফর্মুলা শিখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, it will usually they don't give this type of sum, total surface area. Say it is very big pipe, inside also big, I want to paint all side, inside also. Easy sir. Outside area কত হবে, 2 pi r h, 2 pi capital R h, outside, inside small r, 2 pi small r h, internal area হয়ে গেল. Now if this is hollow, this area কত হবে, plus 2 পরে লিখব, this area pi capital R square minus pi small r square, this area, top and bottom, this. Usually they don't give in your class 10 maths, but this is there. It is cylinder. Now I am going to explain the cone. If you know the cylinder, cone is very easy. And আমি সিলিন্ডারটা রাখলাম to compare. কোণ তুমি করতে পারো এইরকম, say you have set square in your geometry box, a triangle. If you rotate the triangle, it will be cone. Now 25th December is coming, you will wear a cone cap, no, cone ice cream, cone example. Now in the cone, what I told, if you rotate the set square, the space will be cone. This is R, this is perpendicular height, this is L, L is called slant height. Now here another thing, Pythagoras theorem is required, because we the teacher when making the question paper, we just twist that whether to know whether student know Pythagoras or not and how he applies this. Now come, আমি দেখাচ্ছি Pythagoras theorem এখানে লিখব, total surface area. Sir, how many surfaces is there, sir? At the bottom there is surface. I am taking this as solid cone. So bottom surface is there. Bottom surface, sir, this is circular. So it will be pi r square. No problem, sir. Another surface we will get geometrically, we can prove. Proof is not here. বলে দিচ্ছি, lateral surface area or curved surface area. Bottom is circle and lateral surface area. This. তো lateral surface area কি হবে? Pi r l. তো এটাকে আমি বলছি bottom. It is curved surface area or lateral surface area. Bas, finish. Now what I told, যে in the question I have given the data, radius is this, perpendicular height is this, find the total surface area. Radius is given, radius is 4, height is 3, find the area. You know it will come, you will put, it will come, but here it is pi r l. Then you have to use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree, perpendicular height, this is height, this is r, this is l. So Pythagoras theorem is perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay. Now I can say here height square plus r square equal to L square. From here I will get the value of L, I will put and get the answer. Okay. In this case কত হচ্ছে r 3 4, hypotenuse will be L equal to 5. আচ্ছা, when I will go to that Pythagoras triplet I will give, and in between if you want Google দাদা আছে, Google দাদার থেকে বেশ কিছু Pythagoras triplet you please take and put it in your notebook. আর একখানা ক্যালকুলেশন পার্ট হচ্ছে স্কোয়ার, I will give you the chart next time. Okay, এখন আমরা এটা কমপ্লিট করে নিই. Now we are completing this. Completed, sir. আচ্ছা sir, what is the volume, sir? It is very easy, 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. If this is cylinder, if I cut the cylinder in this fashion, it will be 1/3. So volume of the cylinder, I forgot, sir. No problem, sir. Cylinder, a pipe has, pipe cross sectional area will be circle, pi r square into height, pi r square h. I forgot. Now I recap. What is cylinder volume? Pi r square cross sectional area. into height, এর 1/3 pi r square h. সিম্পল স্যার। এই ফর্মুলাগুলো তোমরা দেখে নাও। নেক্সট টাইম আমি এই চ্যাপ্টারের আচ্ছা আইসিএসসি they give mainly volume sums. What they will do, volume, acha, in my video I will try not to do calculation part তোমাদের ছাড়বো, formula part is mine. Okay, now come, আচ্ছা দুটো পয়েন্ট এখানে মনে রাখবে। সে বাড়িতে রুটি বানায়, রুটির যে ড তৈরি হয়, দেয়ার ইজ আ বিগ স্ফিয়ার, আটা মাখালো, অ্যান্ড ইউ শুড প্র্যাকটিস, ওকে, অফ টাইম। আটা মাখালো, দিস ইজ আ স্ফিয়ার, ক্যাপিটাল আর. This is a sphere. From that small sphere they have taken for each roti in this way. Acha, I am taking little bit twisted form. Say eta R1, it is R2, it is R3, it is R4. From this big sphere I made this type of small sphere. Please remember, say a big iron ball is there and I melted it and I made small ball, or small sphere, some sphere I melted and recast into a big sphere. It is very easy. Here please remember, volume will be same. Volume is very same. তাহলে এখানে ভলিউম কত হচ্ছে? 4/3 pi capital R cube. ওকে, will be ভলিউম কত হবে? 4/3 pi R1 cube plus 4/3 pi R2 cube plus 4/3 pi R3 cube, like dot. Now something is not given, other is given, you just calculate, finish it. 4/3 pi capital R cube, 4/3 pi, I take common, তাহলে কি হবে? R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube dot. How many? This is the formula. Okay, now I am going to make, I melted this. আচ্ছা, এটা করব না, আর একখানা পয়েন্ট বলি। Archimedes principle, you read it from class 7, 8, etc. Now Archimedes principle, when a body is immersed in a liquid, say water, when a body is immersed, say it is a big drum. Now I have taken this. This part is hemisphere, this part is cylinder, and this part is cone. Now water was there. Now after immersion of this, when it immersed, say water level rises to this. ঠিক আছে? তো say this is x or small h দিলাম, small h. Now they will give some data. স্ফিয়ারে আমি ধরছি it is r1, it is the diameter, here radius, here see radius of the cylinder also same, radius of the, তাহলে আমি small r লিখে দিই, radius of the cone is also same. Yes, now I tell this as h1, this as h2. Sir, very tough sum, sir. How can I do? আচ্ছা, এখানে this is the displaced water. Okay, this is the displaced water. Now see, what I told, volume of the displaced water will be volume of the solid if it is immersed in the liquid. Now volume of this hemisphere কত হবে বাবা? স্ফিয়ারের ভলিউম কত? স্ফিয়ার পার্ট প্লাস সিলিন্ডার পার্ট প্লাস কোন পার্ট, ভলিউম equal to volume of displaced water. Displaced water. Now say this radius is r, radius of the cylinder, radius of the cylinder is capital R. Now come sphere, sphere না এটা hemisphere আছে, hemisphere. Okay, sphere এর কত? 4/3 pi r cube, hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube, এখানে স্মল r নিয়েছি, স্মল r cube প্লাস সিলিন্ডার, সিলিন্ডার ভলিউম again I forgot. Okay, cross sectional area pi r square into h1. কি নিলাম? pi r square, এখানে স্মল r নিয়েছি, pi r square into h1, cylinder pi r square into h1. Okay, plus কোন, কোন হচ্ছে 1/3, very easy, pi r square, this height of the cone is h2. আবার আসছি হেমিস্ফিয়ার, হেমিস্ফিয়ারের টোটাল ভলিউম 4/3 pi r কিউব, তো সরি স্ফিয়ার 4/3 pi r কিউব, হেমিস্ফিয়ার হাফ 2/3 pi r কিউব, প্লাস সিলিন্ডার pi r square h, 1/3 pi r square height of the cone will be volume of the displaced water. Say it is the in the cylinder, so radius will be this, this is also cylinder, I can write pi capital R square into height হচ্ছে 8. আচ্ছা, here I explain in this way, in your exam you don't write like this, you segregate hemisphere volume this, don't calculate, just রেখে দাও 2/3 pi r এর ভ্যালু পুট করে রেখে দাও. নাও সিলিন্ডার, ভলিউম অফ দ্য সিলিন্ডার pi r square, pi রেখে দাও. ইফ I keep the pi intact, তারপর according to the problem ATP this, pi cancel. So I will show you the calculation method in my next video, and video becomes very long, that's why this is the first video. In between আমি কিছু ICSE sums দেবো আর কিছু MCQ etc দেবো, তো you please try to do, and আমার whatever you can't etc etc তুমি সেইগুলো পাঠাতে পারো, I can solve if I can assist you. This is the first part, আর এই কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো সলভ করো. Wish you very high marks in maths. Okay, thank you, bye.